How to use a Walmart gift card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can use a Walmart gift card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to basically use a Walmart gift card online, you can open up your browser, then just go to walmart.com and sign into your account. Then make sure that you add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Then just tap the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then from here you'll find an option where it says continue to checkout. So tap on continue to checkout option. Now when we go to the checkout process, over here if you look under the payment method tab, you should be able to see a couple of options, where one of the options also, if you look over here a little bit, one card actually says gift card. So if you look over here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but one of the card here actually resembles a gift card. So which means that over here there is no exclusive option to enter gift card, but you just have to enter them in this card number section, whether it is whichever gift card that you have, enter them in this card number section, tap the continue option and see if that works for you. And this way you should be able to use a Walmart gift card online. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.